So hi guys, this is day 19 of the 100-day practice challenge episodes. Our first episode, but yeah. So guys, this will be, we're going to be doing the blues scale. Listen carefully. No, it's silent now. Except for the guitar. So that's almost all for quiet. Only one more quiet space. It's not playing, it's a quiet space. So
we gotta be quiet.
Yeah.
So we can concentrate.
Even you guys at home, just be quiet.
All right, so now we also practiced our Peter gun.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you that.
We did that a bunch of times today. Do it once more for us.
Let me show you this.
Tell them the numbers.
What was it again?
Peter gun. We remember the numbers to him?
0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 3.
Good. Those are the numbers in second position for that song. And then you learned another one in third position.
What was it again?
The blues. Remember that little blues riff?
Oh yeah, what was it?
0, 3, 0, 1, 0.
0, 3, 0, 1, 0.
0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, do it again. 0, 3, 0, 1, 0. Almost. Good. Anything else you want to play before we go?
So guys, I also want to tell you something.
Something about practice and guitar?
It's a little about practicing guitar and something we're gonna add onto some videos.
Okay.
It's gonna be, well, one video isn't gonna be, it's gonna be partly about guitar, partly about what's in the background of the entire 100-day practice challenge.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna, next video we're gonna take an entire tour of the background of the 100-day practice challenge. You can already see some of the background, like the fish tank.
Like show them where we practice and
like
stuff?
The fish tanks. Like the fish tank.
Cool.
We can basically practice anywhere except for on the floor. Steps. A stool. I would anywhere you can sit down.
All right, say the last thing you want to say before we say goodbye.
So guys,
you want to play one thing before we head out?
I'm also gonna play the blues scale, kind of a funky way.
Oh, you're gonna make something up?
Wait. I'm gonna make up a tiny song that I might not know it yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to rehearse.
We'll just go for it.
No. Well, part of it's something I already know. It's that little blues thing that we know. That's part of it.
Nice.
So guys, I'm gonna have to practice this and find what are the songs I should jam in there.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll practice every day, all the way to day 100.
So, guys, my dad's working on, what's it called again, Dad?
The tremolo.
Yeah, tremolo, and he's already really good. In the video, he made it sound like amazing. It's like the way it should sound, really smooth.
We doubled the speed today so you could hear what it sounds like, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go. We gotta get ready for bed.
We're gonna go because we gotta get ready for bed and, well, I gotta practice.
That's right. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Make sure to slap that subscribe button. I learned that from Pan and Jin, my favorite YouTube video. It's Minecraft. So try to check out that YouTube channel. It's amazing.
Awesome.
It's amazing.
All right.
So
we'll see you guys tomorrow.
So bye, guys.